Whoa, 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 whoa. Wake up with the mornings.
How to plant Dracaena masoniana, whale fin plant.
Dirt on hands, but the day's begun. Tiny seeds in a hopeful heart. Every garden's a brand new start.
Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to plant this beautiful Dracaena masoniana, also known as the whale fin plant. I bought this for only 50 pesos at the Horti International Plant Show.
This is the joy of gardening. Planting dreams.
Such an affordable and elegant indoor plant.
From little sprouts to blooming things.
Let's plant it properly so it can grow healthy and strong.
Slow down.
Before we start, make sure you have a pot with drainage holes. This is very important to prevent root rot.
The joy of God.
Use a well-draining soil mix. You can use cactus soil or regular potting mixed with sand or perlite. First, fill the pot halfway with soil. Do not pack it too tightly. The soil should stay loose so the roots can breathe.
One small leaf, one day at a time. Every harvest feels so divine. This is
Carefully remove the plant from its plastic bag or container. Check the roots. If you see any soft or rotten roots, trim them off. If the roots look firm and healthy, you're ready to plant.
with every bloom our hearts will sing. In the greenest place.
Place the whale fin in the center of the pot.
Breathe in, feel everything.
Add soil around the roots until it is fully covered. Gently press the soil to secure the plant, but don't press too hard.
Grab a pot, let your worries fade. Life grows beautifully when love is made. This is the joy of gardening. Oh, 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 oh.
After planting, lightly water the soil. Do not overwater. The whale fin plant is drought tolerant. It's better to underwater than overwater.
Planting dreams and watching them grow. From little sprouts to
Place your Dracaena masoniana in bright, indirect light. It can tolerate low light, but it grows better in brighter areas. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent leaf burn.
everything. Welcome to the joy of gardening. Rain or shine, we learn and try.
Here are some quick care tips. Water only when the soil is completely dry. Make sure the pot has good drainage.
One small leaf, one day at a time. Every harvest feels so divine. This is the joy of gardening.
Wipe the leaves occasionally to keep them clean and shiny.
With every bloom our hearts will sing.
And remember, this is a slow-growing plant. Be patient.
This place we know. Slow down, breathe in, feel everything. Welcome to the
And that's it. For just 50 pesos, I now have a beautiful and elegant indoor plant.
grab a pot, let your worries fade. Life grows beautifully when
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more plant content. Thank you for watching, and happy planting.
joy of gardening. Oh, 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 oh.